What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. Man, you guys seen the video yesterday. We got this new 2017 Road Glide Special back here in Jolly Ollie Red, man. It's time to get these forks and everything off. Time to get this show on the road. I can't wait to see how this bike goes. Now, meanwhile, we don't got a key for it. The forks is bent. The rim is damaged. So I'm hoping we can turn this thing around, man. It's got thousands of dollars of upgraded parts on this thing, man. So I'm really excited to see what this bike is going to turn out like. Hoping it'll give us a start, because right now it's just a gamble, man. So can't wait to see how this thing goes, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2017 Road Glide Special back here, Black Widow, or my 2015 Street Glide CVO, I'm giving them both away. All you got to do is head over to everythingsregular.com, buy anything on the site, and that'll gain you entry into the giveaway. You buy a hat or a wallet, either one will gain you entry into the giveaway. We're giving them both away at the same time, man. You buy one item, you may be lucky enough to win either one. You buy two items, you may be lucky enough to win them both, man. So head over to everythingsregular.com, copy anything on the site, and you'll be entered in the giveaway. Meanwhile, let's get this show on the road, man. Alrighty, guys, so we got this thing in neutral. The back wheel is moving freely. However, this front wheel is still not moving freely. So I'm about to take this front fender off and see if that does the trick. But then again, I think it's still gonna kind of rub because the fork is bent. So I don't know, we'll try it out though and see what happens. Alrighty, now that we got that front fender off, you guys can see the forks a little bit more clearly. This side is bent. I'm sure this other side may be a little off as well. But that's what the frame doctor is for. Now you guys do see we have a dent in the wheel here. Hopefully, no big deal. If not, you know, we'll try to have to find, or at least we'll try to find another wheel, Arleness front wheel like so. We have our front fender right here. This thing is whooped. So I'm pretty sure Antonio can bring this back to life. However, it's gonna be a while until we figure out which route we wanna go with this bad boy. But so far, so good, I guess. I mean, it is a task. We don't even know if the bike runs or anything yet, man. So we're gonna hope for the best and see what's up. But at least it's free moving now. It's not scraping no more. So that's cool, man. We'll get it together though. Let me know what y'all think so far in the comments below. Before we take this front wheel off, man, of course I know it's a huge freaking dent right there, but it might hold a little air, man. I got a little faith. We're gonna try to pump it up, see what happens. If not, we're just gonna snatch it off, put the other wheel on there, or a stock wheel rather, and try to get it going so we can get it up to Harley. They can crack that code for us. So now that we know this wheel is bent, man, we got to get this thing off. Now, these forks are different from your typical Harley forks. That thing, I can bust that down in a few seconds. With this one, I've never did one like this before. Never had Arleness forks. You guys see the Arleness logo there. Just notice it is like a little bump underneath. So we're going to hope for the best and see if that works. Get an Allen key under there and try to get this front wheel off. I believe you got to take the brackets off for the brake because these are the 13-inch rotors. So if you don't have 13-inch rotors, you got to use the ones up here. So we'll take that bracket off too, I guess, and throw a stock wheel on there so we can at least load this thing up on the truck and get it going, man. Now, as much as I want to freaking get this wheel switched out and get this bike up on the back of the truck, I just don't think I'm gonna be able to do it tonight, guys. These are Arleness forks, like I said before. I've never worked with them before, and I don't have this size like hex, man. So can't get the front wheel off. That's why I prefer OEM parts, man. It's always easier to work on. It's not so much of an inconvenience, but you know, what can you do? So I guess we'll probably go try to find a tool or something tonight and start back up on it first thing in the morning. Next morning here, I've been anxious all night to get up and tackle this thing. Now, I had to go to like Walmart and try to find the right hex for this bolt here, man. So hoping one of those work, because like I said, I never really dealt with the Arlen-S forks, and these are just making it a big inconvenience. But if we can get a wheel switched out on there, take it up to Harley, get this thing started, I'll be a bit happier, because I'm pretty sure we can take that fork off and get that thing fixed. If not, find another one. So we'll see what we can do. Try to snatch this wheel off real quick and keep it going here for y'all. Like that, guys, we got our front wheel off. Now you guys can see the forks a little better. They are definitely bent, so I gotta snatch these off, get these forks situated, as well as the bars and stuff. So we'll tackle that, but we'll try to get another wheel on there, another stock wheel rather, try to get that on there and hope for the best. However, these brakes were set up for 13-inch rotors, so I probably got to take off this little adapter piece right here on both sides. But we'll see what we can do real quick. All right, man. I swear I hate dealing with jacked up forks, man. So these forks are, like I said, different. It's nothing that comes out the other side. So in order to get this axle lined up to screw into back there, the forks are bent, man. You gotta, like, I don't even think I'm gonna be able to get it, honestly. I'm gonna probably have to snatch these forks off and just take them up there by themselves, because right now it's not looking like I'm gonna be able to take the bike down there right now unless we get the forks together first, because we can't even roll the bike. So I don't know, we'll see. At least we'll be able to try to get that rim fixed. Then I'll try to snatch off these forks or something real quick and see what's up. After some banging and some hitting, man, we got our forks off, so we can check those out really quick. You guys can see the side that's really damaged. Of course, it's that side, and this one may be a little bent itself. So we're gonna get both of the fork tubes switched out, and then we should be able to put them back together, hoping that the triple tree or nothing like that is bent. It doesn't look too crazy, honestly. It seems like it'll just be the bars from here on out. I don't see anything up there that looks crazy. However, I could take it off and get a better view, but if I just toss the forks back in after they get done, we'll know like that too. So take these up to Harley, try to drop this rim off at the rim shop, and we're gonna hope for the best here. But does look really good, man. I can't wait to get this thing going and get this thing fired up. Does got the 2-in-1, so let me know what y'all think about it so far, man. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. Y'all see my hands is dirty. We ain't had a bike like this in a while, man. So I can't wait to get this thing up and running. We ended up getting the forks and stuff off today. A few front end things were damaged on this one, the front wheel, front forks, and stuff like that. Other than that, wasn't too bad, honestly. So once we get the forks back, we can pretty much throw the forks on there, get the wheel back on there, load it up on the truck, and take it to Harley so they can break the code so we can get this thing fired up and going. After that, you guys already know my style, man. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it red or do it another color. I'm thinking I'm gonna do it another color, but I don't know, we'll see, because we already got red and black back here on the Black Widow. So may do something different. I don't know just yet. But if you guys haven't, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2017 Rogue Glide Special Black Widow back here, or my 2015 CVO, I'm giving them both away at the same go. All you got to do is head over to everythingsregular.com, buy anything on the website for a chance to enter. We got wallets over there and we got hats. Buy either one and you have the chance at winning my Rogue Glide or my Street Glide CVO just by buying anything on the site, man. So go over there, cop something, man. You might just get lucky. You may be lucky enough to win them both, man. So go ahead over there to everythingsregular.com right now. Go get your entry. I can't wait to see where these things are going. We're going to be heading out to Indiana pretty soon. The bike took off yesterday. You guys seen that? So I can't wait, man. In the meantime, if you guys haven't though, please like, comment, and subscribe. Enter to win at everythingsregular.com. I'll catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.